Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to continue our trigonometric video classes. This is for PU first year students who are learning trigonometry. Okay, let's start with the quadrant systems today. What are the quadrants? What trigonometric functions are positive or negative? All of that. So we are going to talk about quadrants. Quadrants system. We are going to talk about quadrants system. See, what we know sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and what else we know? We know cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. These are six trigonometric functions, right? So I'll ask you one question. Cosecant theta is reverse of what? Sin theta. Secant theta is reverse of what? Cos theta. Cot theta is reverse of what? Tan theta. So my question is, if sin theta is positive, if sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, what will happen to cosecant theta? Cosecant theta will be reverse, that is 2, right? So positive number is there, the positive number will come. If sin theta is equal to minus 3 by 4, what happened to the cosecant theta? This will also become minus 4 by 3, that reverse. So if sin theta is positive, cosecant theta is also positive. If sin theta is negative, cosecant theta also will be negative. Yes or no? Yes. So if cos theta is positive, secant theta also will be positive. If cos theta, tan theta is positive, cot theta will be also positive. If tan theta is negative, cot theta will be also negative. Next, my question. If sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, if cos theta is equal to 1 by 3, what about tan theta? Tan theta is what? Sin theta upon cos theta. So sin theta is 1 by 2 upon 1 by 3. So this will become 3 by 2. So sin theta is positive, cos theta is positive, tan theta will be positive. If sin theta is positive, cos theta is positive, the total will be positive. If sin theta is negative, if cos theta is also negative, what happened to the tan theta? Tan theta is what? Sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta is what? Negative. Cos theta is what? Negative. Negative by negative is what? Cancels out and become positive. So sin theta is negative, cos theta is negative, tan theta will become positive. Yes or no? Yes. In the same way, if sin theta is equal to negative, cos theta is equal to positive, what will happen to the tan theta? Tan theta is negative by positive. This will become what? Negative. Tan theta will be negative. Is that simple? You can do this? Yes. Now let's come back to the quadrants. What are the quadrants? There are 4 quadrants we already discussed. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. This is we already discussed. Yes or no? Yes. So once we know the quadrant, what is the first thing we need to do? We need to take one unit, and we have to draw a circle, and we have to chord all that. We have learned in first class. Here we will just do a triangle. If this is 1 unit, hypotenuse is 1 unit, this will become sin theta, this will become cos theta. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. If hypotenuse is 1, this is only hypotenuse, this is theta, this is only hypotenuse, right? So sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse is 1. So sin theta itself is opposite, yes or no? Sin theta is itself opposite. Opposite means this side, yes or no? Yes. In the same way, if I take cos theta, adjacent upon hypotenuse, in this triangle, hypotenuse is what? 1. So adjacent itself is cos theta. Adjacent itself is cos theta, so this will become cos theta. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now, this is positive y-axis, this is positive x-axis, this is negative y-axis, this is negative x-axis. This much we already know. Yes or no? Yes. Now, this is sin theta is this much length. So this is positive or negative? Sin theta is positive. So in the first quadrant, sin theta is what? Sin theta is positive. What about cos theta? Cos theta also is going towards positive x-axis. This distance is cos theta, na? This distance is positive. This distance is cos theta. Array, this is positive. This is positive. Positive x, positive y. Cos theta is also, cos theta is equal to positive. Now let's come here. If sin theta is positive, cosecant theta also will be positive. If cos theta is positive, secant theta also will be positive. If tan theta, for tan theta, positive by positive, sin theta by positive by positive is positive. So this is positive, this also will be positive. So all are positive here. All are positive. All trigonometric functions are positive in first quadrant. Okay, let's go to the second quadrant. Again, I will take 1 unit. Again, if this is theta, what will happen to this now? Opposite, that is sin theta. What will happen to this now? Cos theta. This will become cos theta. In the quadrant 2, sin theta is what now? Sin theta again remains positive. What about the cos theta? Cos theta, this is positive, this will become now negative. So cos theta is negative. Yes or no? Yes. So if sin theta is positive, cosecant theta will also be positive. So I can write sin theta is positive, cosecant theta is positive. Yes or no? Yes. If cos theta is negative, secant theta will also be negative. What about tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is what? Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is what? Sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta, sin theta positive. Positive by negative is negative. Positive by negative is negative. So tan theta is negative. Cot theta will also be negative. So except sin theta and cosecant theta, everything is become negative. This is positive, negative, 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 negative. So sin theta and cosecant theta are positive in the second quadrant. What are those? Sin theta, cosecant theta, sin theta, cosecant theta. Now we will learn it later. Now just remember how this is done. That's it. Next we will learn that what are positive, what are negative. Okay. Let's go to the quadrant 3. This is theta. So this will become sin theta. If this is theta, this will become sin theta. This is cos theta already. So now in the third quadrant, sin theta is what? In the sin theta, this is positive, this is negative. What about cos theta? Cos theta, this is negative. So sin theta is also negative. If sin theta is negative, cosecant theta negative. If cos theta is negative, cosecant theta negative. But tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta is also negative, cos theta is also negative. Tan theta is sin by cos. Negative by negative is positive. So in the third quadrant, tan theta is positive. What about the cot theta? Cot theta will be also positive. Yes or no? Yes. Let's go to the fourth quadrant. If this is theta, this will happen to be sin theta. This will happen to be cos theta. Now, what about the sin theta? Sin theta is negative because if negative y, this is negative y direction. So cos theta is still positive. Cos theta is positive. So cos theta is positive. So if sin theta is negative, cosecant theta will be negative. If cos theta is positive, secant theta will be also positive. So tan theta, what about tan? Tan theta is sin by cos. Sin is negative, cos is positive, negative by positive is negative. So tan is also negative, cot will be also negative. What are positive now here? Cos theta is positive and secant theta is also positive. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. In the next frame, if you have not got anything from this frame, you should be knowing what are all of this, and it's just simple math. In the next frame, we'll write down this very proper and orderly manner where you should know in which quadrant what are positive and negatives. We'll do that in the next frame. Okay? Okay, let's see at the quadrants now. What are the quadrants? See here. This is first, second, third, and fourth. These are the four quadrants. In the first quadrants, all are positive. In second, sin theta and cosecant theta are positive. And in the third, tan theta and cot theta are positive. In the fourth, cos theta and secant theta are positive. If you say every time I will draw a triangle and find out the answer, it is not going to happen. You have to remember all this. How to remember? You think as all silver teacups. All silver teacups. All silver teacups. The first, second, third, fourth quadrant. There are 4 quadrants. All means first quadrant, all are positive. Silver, yes means sine and ulta cosecant. T for tan theta, cot theta. Cups, C for cos theta, secant theta. You should be knowing. You should be knowing. You should learn. Pause the video. All silver teacups. If you can close the eyes, think the quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants are there. First quadrant all are positive. Second is sine and cosecant. Third is tan and cot. Fourth one is cos theta and secant theta. If you can remember this, that will be excellent. If you cannot remember, pause the video, learn it right away, then go to the next. Okay, what do you need to do? You need to close your eyes. You need to close your eyes. Tell me the answer in the third quadrant. What is positive? Can you tell an answer? Second quadrant, what are positive? Fourth quadrant, what are positive? First quadrant, what are positive? If you can tell all of this, you have learned the quadrant, you can go to the next videos or the next frames. If you have not learned, pause the video, learn this. This is going to haunt you. We are going very slow. Each video we are taking our own time to just remember this. Once you remember, there is nothing in your textbook. You can learn all the concepts of engineering or your 11th and 12th if you know the basic concepts very clearly, right? So third quadrant, what is positive? Tan. If tan is positive, cot also will be positive. In the second quadrant, what will be there? Second quadrant, sine and cosecant. In the fourth quadrant, cos and secant. In the first quadrant, all are positive. If you can remember this, we can do lot of questions and simple questions, and you can learn much more. Okay? Chalo. Hey guys, if you like the way that we teach, please do share this video with your PU friends, PU junior, PU pursuing any relative that you can find, so that you can help them in the most difficult times of learning. We are making this videos so that we can help as many as PU students as possible. Thanks for watching. All the very best. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and comment your doubts. We will respond to that. All the very best.